We've had this 2005 Dyna in the shop a few different times now. Once we demonstrated just cam tensioner shoe inspection. This time we went much deeper. We removed the entire cam support plate with the cams and the chains. We showed how to replace just the wear item, the spring-loaded cam chain tensioner shoe assembly. We also showed how to replace the innermost cam bearing, the bearing in the crankcase. We upgraded to a bolt-in style camshaft, replaced the oil pump, replaced the outer cam support plate, updated that to hydraulic tensioners on the chains. We showed you how to verify cam timing, not only cam to cam from the back side of the support plate, but also verify timing from crankshaft to the rear cylinder cam, gear to gear with the chain. We showed how to adjust adjustable push rods. We showed how a lifter mechanism, a hydraulic lifter mechanism works. We also showed how to correctly cut and remove one-piece push rods. We had to put on the battery, reinstall the seat. The front exhaust pipe needed to be removed to access the cam cover, along with the rear brake pedal assembly, the rear foot peg, and the air cleaner. I started it up. I did my few preliminary checks. I like to make sure there's no unusual sounds, whether they be growling or ticking. Everything sounds the way it should. I filled it with fresh oil, obviously, before we started the motorcycle. Now that it's been run, I like to give it a few minutes, let the oil settle back into the oil tank, double check the oil, make sure it's full on the dipstick. At that point, you can do a good evaluation. Check all the push rod tube O-rings, check around the tappet block or lifter block areas, the cam cover gasket, make sure there's no noticeable leaks. The engine wasn't leaking before you took it apart. It certainly should not leak after you put it together. I'll let the oil drain back in. I'll pull the dipstick, check the oil level, make sure it's full. This camshaft upgrade, 2005 Dyna, is ready for a test ride.